Have you ever wondered which company is behind the most famous design software in the world? It's Adobe, the company that revolutionized digital creativity. In this video, we'll take a quick look at Adobe's history, its top products, and how it impacts designers and content creators worldwide. First, what is Adobe? Adobe is an American tech company founded in 1982, specializing in design, editing, and AI-powered software. It started with Adobe PostScript, but skyrocketed to fame with the launch of Photoshop in 1990. Second, Adobe's most popular products. Adobe Photoshop, the most famous software for image editing and graphic design. Adobe Illustrator, used for vector graphics and professional logo design. Adobe Premiere Pro, the leading video editing software for content creators. Adobe After Effects, the go-to software for visual effects and motion graphics. Adobe Acrobat, essential for editing and converting PDF files. Third, how Adobe shapes the creative world. Empowering creators, over 20 million users rely on Adobe's tools daily. AI-powered innovations with Adobe Firefly, the company offers AI-driven design and image editing tools. Continuous innovation, frequent updates introduce groundbreaking features, making creative work easier and more professional. Adobe isn't just a software company, it's the driving force behind digital creativity. Whether you're a designer, editor, or content creator, Adobe has the tools you need to bring your ideas to life. Follow Glimpse Pro for more insights on technology, design, and AI.